Hey guys, back with another video. Today I just wanted to talk about this massive crash that we're seeing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. If I'm buying and like just the overall outlook for crypto and Bitcoin in the next few years. So yes, I am buying. I'm mostly buying Bitcoin, but I had a lot of limit orders in to buy Solana and also a little bit of Thorchain. So those are the three cryptos that I'm buying, but mostly Bitcoin and then just a tiny bit of Thorchain and a little bit of Solana. But I mean, there's so many technical indicators that we're hitting on Bitcoin that we haven't hit since the COVID crash, and that we've only hit a few times in Bitcoin's history. So this could be a historical moment, a historically good time to buy. But at the same time, if the macro environment continues to get bad, if they have to keep raising interest rates, if inflation doesn't slow down, then it could get a lot worse. We could see the worst crash that we've seen, even since the Great Depression, potentially, and times like this, macro environments like this, in my opinion, require a lot of humility. I've only been in markets for the past 6 years or so, 5-6 years. So I have limited experience, and the macro environment takes decades, if not even longer, to play out. So there's a lot of things I haven't seen, which is why I always want to have a decent amount of cash to deploy in case things get worse. But if as a long-term investor, I'm definitely buying Bitcoin. I'm buying lots of Bitcoin right now. I think there's a good chance this is a historical moment and we're getting at least close to the bottom. Worst case scenario I'm thinking of is around 14K. But, who knows? It could go even lower. But I think there's a decent chance that we bottom around 20K, which was the previous all-time high in the last cycle. But there's a decent chance that we go lower. As I said, I think 14K is possible. Even lower is a little possible. But, yeah, I think this is an amazing opportunity. I'm loading up. My videos are not financial advice, but, just telling you guys what I'm doing. And if you look at the charts, it's undeniable that this just looks like a very good opportunity in more ways than one. I mean, we're slightly below the 20-week moving average right now. Right now, it's a little bit below 22K. We're oversold on the weekly chart, RSI, and and we're touching the previous cycle's all-time high. So it seems like a very historical moment. I'm buying, not financial advice. That's it for today's video. Leave a like, subscribe. See you next video.